In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to hit accessibility and convenience. Now select simple mode after scrolling down over here and tap on enter simple mode to activate it. So when I tap, as you can see, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, access the same settings, click on simple mode and tap on exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!